This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Come see this well-maintained detached single-family condo in the sought-after community of First Watch in River Pointe. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a large loft. This home provides an open floor plan with large rooms both upstairs and downstairs. The first floor primary bedroom west/ensuite bath features a double sink vanity, jetted tub, separate shower and a walk-in closet. The living room, dining area, kitchen and family room provide great space for entertaining. Upstairs, there is a full bath and 2 additional bedrooms with spacious closets. The upstairs loft is so spacious that it allows for endless possibilities that could include a 4th bedroom or office. Additional features of this home include a first-floor laundry closet, cathedral ceilings, hardwood flooring throughout west/carpeted bedrooms, high ceilings, ceiling fans and a patio area with a privacy fence. There is an attached 2-car garage with additional driveway.